Hey everyone, today's tutorial will be how to take photos and videos on your iPhone. There are two ways how to take photos and videos. On iPhones 10 and newer with no home button, press the bottom right camera button. I am using an iPhone 11. On iPhones 8 and older with home buttons, swipe right to left in the middle of the lock screen to bring up the camera. These next steps are the exact same on both iPhone models. Press the white shutter button to take the photo. Another easy way how to take a photo is by the volume up button. I use this all the time because it is perfect for one-handed use. This also works to start videos as well. If you want to start a video, press the word video next to photo. Then tap the red shutter button to start your video. Once you have finished your video or taken photos and you want to see them, press the bottom left preview box. This is where your recently taken videos and photos are stored. This is the first method. The second method is quite simple. Unlock your iPhone. If you have a passcode, type it in to unlock your iPhone. Then find the camera app and open it. As you can see, this is the exact same camera as on your lock screen. If you want to view all of your photos, you can go to the Photos app, which looks like a multicolored flower. This is what this app looks like inside. If you like these videos, please press the subscribe button below.